Hey everyone, welcome back to Rum Builder and the rally car series that we're doing. On this episode, we're going on a diet. Me and the car. So we're going to start easy and simple with this weight reduction, and we're just going to pull everything loose out of the car. So if it's not bolted down, it's coming out. So I got the trunk empty. Man, I didn't realize just 2 races and this car got this dusty. It's insane. So we're done in the trunk for now. Now it's time to move inside. This thing's dusty. We're ditching the center console, we're ditching the carpet, headliner's going, back seat, it's all that. You guys get the drift. I'm gonna go do work. Oh, geez, that thing is heavy. Alright, so I got most of the interior out so far, and that carpet is heavy and it smells bad. This next step is, I don't know, I think I might leave the door panels on for a little bit and see how that goes. But I got some insulation to pull out, and then I have something that's really been bugging me that's got to come off. Something that's been really bugging me, and you'll see as I've been racing, we have this right here has hit more cones than any other part of the car. So, problem solved. That was easier than I thought. So I already knew that one was broken. The other side actually has to be taken off properly. So, you know, tools and stuff. Next up on the weight saving schedule is this guy right here. This is basically a big weight, and what it's here for is to keep, when you're at highway speeds, keep any driveline vibration from making it to your butt, basically. So since we aren't going to be driving on the highway anymore, it's out of here. Oh, that's heavy. That's gone. So this is our big fat GT sway bar. And well, you see we've kind of destroyed the bushings. They're supposed to be urethane or rubber or something there. But that doesn't matter because we don't need a sway bar where we're going. In rally racing, you want the tire on the ground as much as possible. Keeps you in control when you hit a jump or something. If the tire's in the air, you can't steer. So we're getting rid of that, and we're going to hopefully be able to steer better because of it. Well, that one came before the light in here. Oh wow. Let's take a look here real quick. Look at how mangled that sucker is. That is not okay. Ouch. Oh. Ooh. There goes a big chunk of my knuckle. Injury timeout. I put my finger back together. Now it's time to give another whack at this. Yes! Man, that was a pain in the butt. That sway bar was pretty heavy. If you haven't been able to notice through this video, it's a little warm today. It's like 100 million degrees outside, hotter than stupid. And man, I just don't think I got it in me to finish it today. So, we're gonna call it here for today and pick back up later when it's not 1,000 degrees. We have tires. Alright, so I got my tires. They're right here and they're awesome. I'll show those to you in a bit. Just need to grab the wheels and then head over to the Blanton shop where I'm going to put some tires on. Yes! Truck's loaded up. I'm excited. Let's go put some tires on. I would like to introduce you to the new wheels and tires. These are really nice wheels. They're just really old and mistreated, and one of them's cracked, but that's okay. Got a nice 215/65/16 General Grabber AT. To be honest, it's a little bigger than I thought it was going to be, so we're going to see if it's going to fit. Let's get to work, though. Let's put some tires on a car. We ran into a situation. The caliper is hitting the wheel. Right here. So I can grind that down, or for now, I hate using these, but I'm gonna. Yuck. Alright, now that looks sick. I dig that a lot. I don't know if we're going to clear. I guess we'll have to do some lock-to-lock tests to see what happens. Nothing rubs! I think I have less of a rubbing problem now than I did before. Okay, let's hit a little dip and see what happens. Dip at an angle. Ooh, I think that's the exhaust hitting. Front tires aren't rubbing at all though. The exhaust is still hitting. But I mean, lock to lock, everything's just working great. I'm so happy. I was so worried that these tires were gonna be too big. All right, nothing on that dip. got a bigger dip up here. No rubbing. Success! Summer in Texas sucks, but that car is hot. Stage 1 complete. The car is looking a lot lighter. It's sitting higher than it did before. I forgot to take a measurement. I really wanted to take a measurement. We're done for today. I'm hot, I'm tired, and I'm just out. So until next time, build something. Don't let me be the only one having fun.